See, it is like this. I have said in the beginning and I am saying again. Pramod Sawant for Chief Minister Ato. He has stood with us in the thick of things. And it is important that I should remain with him. He has promised me. I got elected. In the election, I got elected on a platform where I was told by the people to do a lot of work in my constituency. I have set an election manifesto. I want to complete all my manifesto. इलेक्शन वयतली बट आमी काम हॅम्पर जाता इतले वर्सां आमदार जाला म्हाका केन्ना काम करूं मेळना फर्स्ट टायम म्हाका एक ऑपॉर्च्युनिटी मेळ्ळ्या काम करपाक आनी आज म्हाका कोण पावयलो आज कोण पावयलो म्हाका हिंगा सगळें खबर आहा म्हाका तेजेर उलोवपा नाका म्हाका आय डोंट वॉन्ट टू क्रिटिसायज एनीबडी लॉट ऑफ पीपल आर आस्किंग मी कमेंट्स अबाउट सो मेनी पीपल आई डोंट वॉन्ट टू कमेंट सो आई वॉन्ट टू डू वर्क इन माय कॉन्स्टिट्युएंसी आई वॉन्ट टू कंप्लीट माय मैनिफेस्टो lot of there's lot of been allegations. There are a lot of people talking. It's easy for people to talk. I mean, those few people who talk, I have no problem. There are a lot of people. I understand. Who am I to talk for somebody else? There are so many people who have so many circumstances. That's why they act and they behave like that. I'm nobody to comment on them. There is somebody above us. For me, I would do what is right and proper. I know 10,000 people, तूं गोरजे कोण पावता त्या मनशाक तुवें तेजे बरोबर उब रावपा पडटा तो मागीर तूं तें कितें जाय तें म्हण जो तूं गोरजे टायमाचेर तो पावलो त्या मनशाक आमी जेन्ना जेन्ना इशू घेवन गेले प्रमोद सावंता कडेन चीफ मिनिस्टरा कडेन केन्ना ना म्हणना तेणें हांव जाणा तें सगळें काम मुगे करूं नाका म्हूण वेरियस फॅक्टर्स आहाय तेकाय काम करना तेच्या मुगेलें I am belonging to the minority community. हांव जाणा म्हाका कितलें आसतलें आनी जेन्ना आमी काम घेवन गेले मायनॉरिटी कमिटी मनशांगेलें काम घेवन गेले आमी झगडले ते कडेन CRZचेर हांव झगडटलो हेज्या मुखार ते कडेन OCI कार्डाचेर आनी कित्याचेर मुगे कॉरेस्पॉन्डन्स चीफ मिनिस्टराक विचार कॉरेस्पॉन्डन्स सगळ्यांक कशें चड आमदार करता हांव करता हे दिसान देखून आमदार हांवें खंय गेले हांवें चीफ मिनिस्टर सांगलां टॅक्सीवाल्यांगे इशू सॉर्ट आउट कर I want to sit down with you after this and we have to sit down, we have to settle those issues. We cannot keep them hanging. It is going against people like us also. It is going against you also. CRZ. Then तुगेले business community के issues आहे, tourism related issues आहे, शेक्सा issue आहे, आनी कसो issue आहे ते आमी solve करूंक जाय. जालें तें बरें जालां तेंकाय कळपाक कितें issue solve करपाक मातशें pressurized दबाव पडलो बरें जालां. So I look forward in doing something good for the constituency, and it is like this. A lot of people may criticize us on the way. I believe there is a plan of God. कोण येवपाक कोण वचपाक कोण बसा काल म्हाका कोण एक डिस्कशन करता म्हाका आर्ग्युमेंट करता तो म्हणटा तो म्हाका I will be cursed म्हणटा I have no problem. See, who is cursed is somebody has to decide, not you. And then chief minister, ministers, everybody is cursed. जाल्यार ते कितें त्या पावराचें आहाय आय म्हणटा तूं सगळ्यांकूच बरो जाल्यार तूं ते पोजिशनाचेर कित्याक गेलो ना ते कित्याक गेले हांवूय गेलो ना ते गेले कित्याक गेले सो देर इज समबडी हू इज देर फॉर एवरी गुड यू डू यू गेट गुड आय लूक फॉरवर्ड इन डुईंग गुड आय विल प्रोटेक्ट द इंटरेस्ट ऑफ माय पीपल ऑल्सो as a member of the minority community, I look forward in fighting for the rights and for the wishes and for the good of you. Let anybody criticize me, let anybody curse me. Those curses are not in the hands of the people who curse. There is somebody above us. I look forward even to get the blessings of God to do what I have planned for the future and for the good of my people.